premières capacités militaires ont été envoyées et qui sont arrivées au Groenland et d'autres suivront dans les prochains jours dans différentes dimensions terrestres, aériennes et maritimes.
Der er jo nu deltagelse for en lang række europæiske lande herunder nogle af de nordiske lande. Og så
Right now, Greenland is covered with Russian and Chinese ships all over the place. We need Greenland from the standpoint of national security. And Denmark is not going to be able to do it, I can tell you.
I think it's a big one.
You know what Denmark did recently to boost up security in Greenland? They added one more dog sled. It's true. I may put a tariff on countries if they don't go along with Greenland, because we need Greenland for national security, so I may do that.